everyone, gather around. Chibi Maruko Chan is about to start.
In this episode, Hamaji wants to get new shoes.
Come on! Hey, Oda! All right!
They're great. The way they're playing, it looks like we can beat class 2.
Hey, Hamaji, heads up!
I want to finish practicing soon so I can go home and watch some TV. Hey, Boo! Hey, what's this?
He shoots!
Hey! Oh!
I scored, Boo!
Come on, what are you doing, Hamaji?
Well done, Butaro. I can't believe how much better you've gotten now.
I owe it to these new pair of cleats, Boo.
Butaro bought new shoes, too. These are light, making it easier to run.
When I put on these new cleats, I feel like I'm a real soccer player. And they make me feel like I could play better, too, Boo.
They're so cool looking.
I'm asking my parents for a pair.
Okay.
Come on, Mom, I need new ones. Buy them for me.
You can still wear the pair of cleats that you have now.
I'm telling you, they're different than mine.
Soccer cleats are expensive, aren't they? Your feet will get bigger, and you won't be able to wear them anymore anyway. If the shoes are tough and cheap, then that's all you really need.
Stingy.
I may be stingy, but tell me what this is.
I hid it from you, but how did you find it?
You were too preoccupied by those shoes, and you didn't study, so that's why you got a score like this.
That had nothing to do with the shoes. Oh, come on, Mom!
Maruko, tell me what this is.
Didn't Sakiko get her test results back also? What? She got a 90, huh? It's the eraser with a scent. How did you get this one?
The one I was using got really small, so Mom decided to buy me another one.
That's nice. Can you buy me one, too?
Yours works just fine, Maruko.
That's not fair that only Sis got one. If I get a nice eraser with a nice scent like hers, it will make me study a lot harder, Mom.
If you study harder, then your eraser will get smaller, too.
Then I will buy one for Maruko, too.
Mom, you are so stingy. Oh, that's right.
I won't buy you a new one if you keep doing that.
And the next day.
Here we go!
Oh, no!
Nice shot, man!
I did it!
Oh.
Oh, Hamaji! Wow, so you just finished practicing?
Yeah.
What's the matter? You don't seem too happy.
I asked my mom to buy me the same soccer cleats that Ono and the other guys are wearing, but she said they're too expensive and the shoes I have now are still fine, so she won't buy me new ones. Even Butaro got a new pair.
It must be nice. I really envy people that get whatever they want.
Oh, man, why is my mom so stingy? It gives me a headache.
My mom is a lot more stingy than yours, Hamaji. She won't even buy me one little eraser.
Yeah, well, my mom's stingy nature goes all the way to her core.
Well, my mom's stingy nature is so far beyond that, it's eaten her core.
I think it's going to make you even more miserable if you continue talking about this.
How could I make my mom buy me a new pair?
Yeah, I wonder. Huh? I've got an idea.
Commencing Operation 1. Chun-chicka-dun-dun-dun. Shichi-san, oh, please don't go. Oh, no, Otani. I have to go and buy the new soccer shoes. Oh, you could be so cruel. I missed you, but did you buy them? I bought some new soccer shoes.
What do you think you're doing?
It's a soccer shoes commercial. Oh, you're so cruel.
Even if you do that, I'm still not gonna buy them.
Shichi-san, oh, please don't go.
Oh no, Otani. I must go and eat the Ishimatsu noodles.
Oh, you're so cruel.
Ishimatsu noodles.
All right, operation number 2. Hey, Mom, I have a big problem!
Why are you making so much noise?
A stray dog took my sneakers and ran away with them! What am I supposed to do? I guess I have no choice but to buy new ones. Hey, don't go over there! Wait! How did you figure it out? Do you have psychic powers, Mom? Hey, I wonder if you can bend a spoon with your mind.
You hide things in the same places over and over again. It's really not that hard.
And it's Sunday.
Hamaji.
Oh, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Hey, all my operations failed.
What? It didn't work? It seems like your mom is pretty tough to convince. Oh, yeah. Why don't you ask your grandpa?
What? My grandpa?
Yeah, just watch and learn. Hey, Grandpa, I need to ask you a big favor.
What is it, Maruko?
Well, actually, there's something I've been wanting to have.
Something you want?
I want to have an eraser that has a scent on it. Mom bought it only for Sis, but for some reason she won't buy one for me. Did you know that?
What a pity. All right, I'll buy you one.
Thank you so much. I love you, Grandpa.
I love you too.
Sakura, you're pretty conniving, aren't you?
Yep. If you're gonna call me something, then call me Wicked.
I'm home now. Hey, Grandpa, I have a big favor to ask you.
Yes, what is it, Noritaka?
Well, actually, I have something that I've been wanting.
Yes, that's about right. It would be nice to have some tea pretty soon.
I'm not talking about what you want, Grandpa. What I want is a new pair of soccer shoes.
So you want to become a soccer player in the future, Noritaka?
That's not what I'm saying.
I'm looking forward to it. I hope you become a great player and make my life a lot easier. I'm really counting on you. No, it's hot, 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 hot!
Oh, it smells so good. Butaro.
Maruko, good afternoon, Boo.
Good afternoon.
Hey, are you practicing on your own?
Boo, I actually made a promise with my mom to practice hard, so she bought me these soccer shoes for me. That's why I'm gonna practice every day, Boo.
Oh, my, that's quite impressive.
Boo!
Butaro.
Boo! 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 Boo!
Oh, man.
I did it, Boo! Hamaji, pass, Boo! Hamaji! Hamaji, Boo!
Hamaji, you gotta concentrate, man. You gotta be ready for the game, man.
Oh, yeah. Huh, Don't blame me. If I had some new soccer shoes, I could be playing better than everybody. Hey, can you get that ball for me?
Hamaji, actually, it's not really cool to blame it on the soccer shoes.
What'd you say?
Why don't you go to the open lot at dusk?
The open lot? Why would I go over there? Hey, Sakura! Why would she want me to come here to the open lot? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Butaro. Oh, wow.
Noritaka!
Come on! I did it!
Well done, Hamaji.
Noritaka, you did such a great job out there.
Huh? Oh, hi, Mom.
As a reward, I'll buy those shoes, the soccer shoes.
Huh? Oh, Mom. It's all right.
Huh? Why is that? You wanted those soccer shoes so much.
A player's real skill doesn't come from his soccer shoes. It comes from how hard he practices. I don't need a new pair.
Hamaji.
Meanwhile, at the Sakura household,
I guess I should buy an eraser with a scent for Maruko. After all, I suppose that it's unfair for her, too. What?
Maruko is gonna be scolded very severely for this one. The fact that she got the eraser without studying doesn't sit too well with her mother.
In this episode, let's go bird watching.
Today's PE class was hard, wasn't it? Oh, It's a sparrow.
Oh, but it looks a little bit different from a sparrow.
What? Really?
That one is actually a bunting.
A bunting?
Mm-hmm. It resembles a sparrow, but it has a larger body and a longer tail.
Really? You know so much, Nagayama-kun.
And the way it tweets is a little different from the sparrow, too.
You have a lot of knowledge about this, Nagayama-kun.
You're not only good at schoolwork, but you have a lot of knowledge about birds as well, and that's admirable.
I think so, too.
Oh, no, not really.
Nagayama-kun! What do you think you're doing out there on the pitch? Are you trying to impress your fellow classmates? Frankly speaking, you're going after the position of class representative, aren't you?
Oh, no, I'm not. I've been doing a lot of bird watching lately.
What? Bird watching?
Mm-hmm. I go up to the mountains and other places with my binoculars to watch wild birds.
Really? That sounds so interesting.
I'm interested to give this a try.
Although it's a Sunday, would you like to come with me tomorrow?
Really? That's okay?
Of course you can.
Let's go! Let's go!
I would like to participate tomorrow as well! Nagayama-kun, I will study and learn the birds for tomorrow. I will not lose to you!
Maruo-kun is the only one that's feeling this rivalry.
So the four of us can go together. I got 2 pairs of binoculars to use, and we can take turns with them.
I'm really excited.
Thank you all so much. We'd like you to listen to the next song now.
There are so many species out there.
Maruko, what's got your eye there?
It's a picture book of birds. I'm going on a bird watching trip tomorrow, so...
You say birds? You're gonna go somewhere far away just to go watch some birds? Just watch them from the backyard.
Welcome to my place, my beautiful bluebird.
The bluebird? You know what, Dad? Bird watching can be very romantic.
Huh? You said romantic?
That's right. I'm going out there to look for that romance. I'm gonna find that bluebird of happiness.
The bluebird? Maruko is going out there to look for the bluebird? Sounds a lot like Junko Sakurada.
You think? Welcome to this place.
Caw-caw,
my beautiful bluebird. It perches at my loving heart and it will land. Oh no, I'm running really late. Noguchi-san. I wonder if Noguchi-san is on her way for bird watching too.
Even in the city, there are a lot of bird species, too. Let me see, for instance... Did you guys know that there are many different kinds of crows?
What? Is that right?
That's right! They're Hashibuto crow and Hashiboso crow!
Yeah. Maruko-kun, you are knowledgeable.
Ha-ha! And the other one is...
When experts say hashi, they are talking about the beak. That one has a fat beak, so that's a Hashibuto crow.
Oh.
Oh, what? Everyone, there's a bush warbler on that plum tree over there.
But how come it doesn't tweet hohokekio?
Ah, that's because it's a white eye. Look, see around the eye? It's white, right?
Oh, that's true.
I swear Maruo just blundered right now, quite frankly.
Maruo-kun, if you're trying to challenge Nagayama-kun for some reason, not to be rude, but I'd advise you to drop it for your sake.
This tweeting sound is from... Could it be a bush warbler?
Oh?
Something isn't right. Yamada, what exactly are you doing?
Playing the bush warbler, Joe. Ho, ho. And what are you guys doing here?
Oh, we're just here bird watching. We're observing different birds.
Sounds fun, sounds fun. Hey, why don't you let me join you guys in this fun?
I'm fine with that. That okay, Nagayama-kun?
No problem. So how about we go check out some other places then?
That sounds good. Where then?
Let me see.
There's a place with many, many, many birds that are around, and I know where, Joe.
What? You do?
Yamada-kun, in my opinion, I don't think there would be birds in a place like this.
That's not true, Joe. This place has many, many, many birds, Joe.
Tama-chan, I really don't have a good feeling about this.
Yeah, I don't either. Aha! I told you! I told you there'd be a lot of birds, Joe!
Yamada, you know we were looking for wild birds here. Huh? Noguchi-san, what's she doing? Noguchi-san, did you also come here to do some bird watching?
No, I'm not.
What? Then why are you here? Huh? I wonder what Noguchi-san was doing.
It almost seemed like she was looking for something, but... Hey!
Huh?
Why don't we go to the upper part of the Tamae River? I think there are lots of birds there we don't see much around here.
Yeah.
Hey, over there, that bluebird. It's a kingfisher.
Wow, it's such a beautiful blue.
This is my first time seeing it.
I don't get to see them much either. That's because it's really rare around here.
Wow, we really did get lucky today.
Yep.
Frankly speaking, it's a happy bluebird, right?
Isn't it just so cool that we get to see the real bluebird?
Welcome to my place.
Goo, 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 goo. Noguchi-san. Could it be that Noguchi-san is also looking for a bluebird?
Oh yeah, you might be right.
Huh? Hey guys, did you just see that?
Yep, it sparkled.
I wonder exactly what that was.
No idea.
UFO? Could it be a UFO, Joe?
Huh? I see. Noguchi-san has been searching for UFOs the whole time.
Just hold on a minute, please. Is it possible that a UFO would suddenly appear in front of us just like that?
It's a UFO! UFO!
Noguchi-san went towards the mountains, right? She's probably after that light. No, she's going after that UFO!
How about we head to the mountain too and check it out?
Nagayama-kun!
All right, let's go!
Let's go, let's go!
But I'm wondering what Noguchi-san is planning on doing after finding the UFO.
Maybe she wants to become friends with aliens.
Oh, that might be it. And then maybe she's trying to ride on the UFO with them.
UFO.
I'm impressed with Noguchi-san. She always thinks out of the box.
Hey, look!
Huh?
Isn't that Noguchi's bicycle?
Oh, it could be.
I wonder if she's close by.
Oh, over there.
I wonder what Noguchi-san is doing.
She's calling for a UFO, Joe.
Yeah, she might be sending telepathic signals and calling for the UFO. Huh? Did they get Noguchi-san's message? Could this be the voice of an alien? Wait, that was... What? Noguchi-san! Hey, that's your pet parrot, isn't it? So do you mean that you were looking for your parrot, Noguchi-san?
What? So you weren't actually looking for a UFO?
UFO. UFO.
I don't know.
Oh. The thing that sparkled at the riverbank was that foot ring, wasn't it?
It wasn't a UFO after all. But we were able to see the bluebird of happiness in real life, so we got really lucky.
Yeah, that's true.
My mother will be worried if I don't get home soon. Quickly, quickly, quickly!
What started out as a bird-watching adventure ended up with a search for UFOs. Either way, Maruko feels content looking up at the sky on this beautiful spring day.
You cannot tell anyone.